Alrighty, lesson 7. We are on page 160. So I said lesson 7 was going to talk about discounts and sale price and total cost. So let's talk about discount. So at the top here, it says discount or markdown. Those both mean the same thing. You might see either word. So just understanding a discount or a markdown is the amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. And so then the sale price is the regular price minus the discount, which makes sense, right? Think about when you go into stores and you're shopping and you're looking and there's a rack of clothes that says this whole rack is 50% off. So there's your discount. That's your markdown. And so when you see that 50% off, well, then you got to think about, well, what's my sale price going to be? I'm going to take and look at what the tag says. And maybe it's a $24 shirt. And if it's 50% off, I know it's going to be about $12. Now, I haven't figured the tax in yet, but at least I know the sale price on that shirt is going to be $12. So let's take a look at some problems where you're finding discount or markdown, and then, of course, what is sale price? So we're going to go to the bottom of page 160, and we're going to look at this. Got it here. Letter A. It says a shirt is regularly priced at $42, and it's going to be on sale for 15% off of the regular price. What is the sale price of the shirt? Sale price. So up above in the definition, it talked about, markdown, discount is the amount that an item is reduced. So that's going to be your first step. You're going to find out how much of a markdown or a discount, how much the item is getting reduced. Your second step is going to be the sale price. And so you need to take that regular price, subtract the discount from it so that you find that sale price. Step 2. So there's 2 steps to these. So let's talk about I'll call this step 1. So we're going to continue to use that proportion setup. Same setup, meaning I know it's on sale for 15% off out of 100%. I need to know how much X is going to go in that numerator, how much of a discount if that shirt is $42 with that 15% off. What kind of discount am I going to get? So let's solve it. So as we've been doing, we're going to cross multiply here. We're going to do 100 times X equals 42 times 15, 630. So make sure you're calculating this. So you shouldn't just be writing my answer, my calculation in here without you also checking. You really should have your calculator right next to you and multiplying and saying, yep, Mrs. Phillips, you're right. 42 times 15 is 630. Okay, continue to solve for X. Divide by 100. Dividing by 100 is going to move that decimal place 2 to the left. And so you should see X equals 6.30, which is $6.30. So this is the discount amount. This is how much money you're saving on that shirt. This is your first step. Squeeze the word discount in here. Just like that. Okay, discount. So remember I said there's a second step because it's asking what the sale price is. It's on sale. So when you see something is on sale, you know it's going to be cheaper. So in this case, we need to make sure that we take the $42 shirt and subtract away the $6.30. Don't add it. In lesson 6, we were talking about total cost. So yeah, we were adding because we had to add the tax. We had to add the tip. Now you're talking about something that's on sale. So you wouldn't want to add it. You don't want to go up to the cashier and pay for something and the cashier tells you it's more than what it should be with it being on sale. It shouldn't be more. It should be less, right? So you're subtracting it. Okay, so subtract that away. 42 minus $6.30. And you would see that you have a sale price of $35.70. Now, when you subtract, if you're using your calculator or even if you're doing it by hand, comes out 35.7. You know you don't leave it like this, right? if you're talking money and the zero isn't in the calculator, you got to put it in there. So $35.70. This is your sale price, and it's cheaper than the original price of the shirt, right? It was $42. So with the 15% off, it's now on sale for $35.70. This is what it's asking. There's your final answer. So you had to do 2 steps there. So let's try a couple more of these. So we're going to turn your book page, and we're going to go all the way to independent practice. And independent practice is going to be on page 163. So let's try 2 more. Let's take a look at number 1 on page 163. So once again, the directions say find the sale price to the nearest cent. You have a $64 jacket. It has a 20% discount on it. You need to know that sale price. Okay, I'll call it step A this time. So let's set it up. 20% out of 100%. How much discount if the jacket is $64? Remember, we're looking for the part. The $64 is the whole. Okay, 100 times X. I should probably put that right under. So 100X equals 64 times 20. 1,280. Solve for X. Solve for that discount. So when you do, divide by 100. Again, it moves the decimal 2 places to the left. That's $12.80, which is just the discount. That's just how much money you're saving. You're saving $12.80 on that jacket. That's not the sale price. You're not done. That's just how much you're saving. So then step B, second step, you want to know the sale price. So you want to take that $64 and subtract away the $12.80 discount that you have. Okay. So once you subtract it, you should see $51.20. Get that 0 at the end. This right here is your sale price. Okay. $12.80 is the discount. That's what you're saving, first step, but don't forget to subtract. Find that sale price. It should be cheaper, $51.20. Number 2, you have a $1,200 TV. It has a 10% discount. So, step A, right? Solve it. 10% out of 100%. How much are you saving if it's $1,200? 100 times X. 1,200 times 10. Just going to put an extra 0 on that. So 12,000. Divide by 100. X equals, divides by 100, 2 places to the left, 1, 2. 120 is what your discount is. All right, well, again, that's not your final cost, right? So it'd be great if you had a $1,200 TV that only cost you $120. Wouldn't that be awesome? That's your discount, right? So that's how much you're saving. So let's find that sale price. Subtract it. Take the $1,200, subtract away the $120. And so if you do that, your sale price on that TV should be $1,080 sale. That's your final. That's what you're looking to find. $1,080 is your sale price on that TV. Okay, so I want you to try a few of these. So you're going to scooch to the extra practice. And that is going to be on page 165. So you're going to take a few minutes and do number 16, number 17, number 18. And you're going to do the 2 steps because it says find the sale price to the nearest cent. So find it, right? Do a step A, do a step B on both of the, or all 3 of those, excuse me. Find the discount first or the markdown, and then find that sale price. So I'm going to let you try them. Again, it's up to your crew. If your crew teacher would like you or let you work with one other person with social distancing, of course. If not, that's fine, right? You're going to try them on your own. I'll meet you back here so we can look at the answers and check your work. Okay, let's see how you did. So number 16 for that $40 sweater that had a 33% discount, you should have, when you worked out in the first step, seen that you have a $13.20 discount on the sweater. So again, remember, this isn't your final answer. That's just how much money you're saving. So now we look at the second step and we want to know the sale price. So we subtract away the discount from the original price of the sweater, and you should get $26.80 for that sale price. Number 17, your discount on the MP3 player is 15%. And so that means you should be saving $29.85. So then sale price, subtracting away, it should be cheaper, $169.15 sale. Next one, number 18, the pen set, that's $12.25. That's over half off, so 60% off. You should see that you're going to save $7.35 and then subtract that away. So for the sale price on that pen set, it should only be $4.90. Pretty cheap. So that takes you through some examples of your discount and then finding that sale price by using subtraction. I want to do one more example with you today. We're going to actually head back to guided practice. And we're going to look at number 1. So you're going back to page 162. First one. It says Mary and Roberto bought identical backpacks at different stores. And so Mary's backpack originally cost $65 and it was discounted 25%. Roberto's backpack originally cost $75 and it was on sale for 30% off the original price. Which backpack was the better buy? So I'm going to start with Mary. And Mary, we're going to see, based on whatever store she's getting it from, what her sale price is going to be on that backpack. So step A for Mary, right? Hers was 25% off out of 100%. And then X out of $65. And so let's go through that process, right? So let's solve. So 100 times X, 65 times 25, 1,625. Divide. Discount on her backpack was $16.25. But we need sale price, right? So we're going to take the price of her backpack, subtract away the discount. So $65 minus $16.25. Okay, when you subtract those two values, figure that out right now, subtract those. And hopefully you see $48.75 for the sale price. Okay, so there's the price, sale price of her backpack from the store she bought it from. And then let's talk about Roberto. And let's figure out first his discount on his backpack. So his is more money. His is $75. His is 30% off also. It has a bigger discount. So let's see if his is more money and he has a bigger discount, how that compares to Mary's. So how much, if the backpack was $75, 30% out of 100%, let's figure it out. So you can calculate, right? Find that discount amount. So on his backpack, he's saving $22.50. So he's saving some more money than Mary did. But again, remember, his backpack was more expensive. And he does have a bigger discount, but let's see what happens. Second step. So subtract, find his sale price. $75 minus the $22.50. And when you subtract those, what do you see? Sale price for Roberto's backpack, $52.50. And so it looks like when the question asks you which backpack was the better buy, looks like Mary's, that's all right, has the better buy. So Mary's backpack was just a little bit cheaper than Roberto's. So you were comparing the two, and the better buy is that cheaper price. So wherever Mary got her backpack from, she got a better deal. But again, you have to keep in mind too, Roberto's backpack was a little bit more expensive than Mary's was originally. Okay, you're going to do one just like that. So I believe we need to go, remember right? Yep, number 19. So number 19 is on the extra practice. This is the last one you're trying today. And once again, when you go through this one and solve it, you can unpause the video. So you'll pause it, try it out, unpause the video, check your answer. You'll be done for the day. And you'll be able to spend your time, hopefully. As usual, I'll say Alex to you. But at the same time, I still have on the agenda that Halloween coordinate graphing. So that's face-to-face. If you have that still, if you finished it and you colored it, or if you just finished it and you want me to see it, because I'd love to see them if they're done, that just gives me an idea too, and Mr. Terpstra and Mr. Whalen, if and how well you're understanding your coordinate graphing and if you're doing okay with that. You're going to get a new one actually next week for the month of November for Thanksgiving. So if you get time and you actually have your time for Alex, then go to that coordinate graphing. And again, I'd love to see them if they're done. Otherwise, I will see you on video again on Friday. Have a wonderful day. Okay, there's your final answers for number 19. So you'll see that Mr. Chang has the better buy.